Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best drywall mud roller is probably one of the most underappreciated tools in the world of home improvement, capable of transforming a rough, uneven drywall surface into a smooth, professional-looking finish. This handy tool significantly speeds up the drywall finishing process, saving you time and effort while delivering superior results compared to traditional methods. Whether you're a seasoned professional or a DIY enthusiast tackling a home renovation project, understanding how to choose and effectively use a drywall mud roller is key to achieving a flawless wall finish. Number 5. Level 5 Drywall Corner Roller. This innovative tool is designed to save you time and money on your drywall projects. It helps create sharp, precise corners with flat, smooth tape flanges, much faster than traditional methods. It effortlessly removes air pockets and excess mud, ensuring a professional finish every time. You'll achieve better results with less effort. The heavy-duty stainless steel rollers glide smoothly thanks to Kevlar-reinforced nylon bearings and Teflon washers. This prevents locking up or skipping, even under pressure. It features aluminum-reinforced stainless steel wheels and Teflon and Kevlar-reinforced nylon bearings and washers for smooth operation and a long lifespan. Built to withstand daily use. It significantly reduces the time it takes to finish inside corners compared to hand tools. Get a perfect finish with ease and efficiency. Please be aware that this is an international product and may have different terms, fit, age ratings, or labeling compared to local products. What we like. It forms sharp corners and reduces tape drag. This saves you a significant amount of time on the job. If you're a professional drywall finisher looking to increase efficiency and improve the quality of your work, this is the tool for you. What people say. Sets the tape and squares the corners nicely. This specific tool is good quality and works better than expected. This is a heavy-duty professional tool. A must-have if you do any amount of drywall work. Bedding corner tape was a breeze. Number 4. Custom Shop Roller Kit. This kit makes applying textured coatings a breeze. It's perfect for truck bed liners and other textured paints. It includes a roller frame, 2 roller covers, a tray, a liner, and chip brushes. You'll have everything you need to get started. The roller covers are designed for a perfect textured finish. They're durable and easy to use. One cover is pre-attached, and there's a replacement. The frame even has an extendable handle for hard-to-reach areas. It works great with Custom Coat, Raptor, Gator Guard, and other popular brands. Get a professional finish every time. Apply even coats in the same direction for the best results. It's that simple to create a stunning, textured finish. What we like. This kit helps you achieve a perfect textured finish. It's great for various coatings and paints. If you are looking for a complete solution to apply textured coatings, this kit is perfect for you. What people say. Used this product to roll onto truck bed, worked well. 1 quart will cover the bed of a side-by-side. Good lil kit for the price. Has tray and liner, so I use the liner already and next time I'll use the tray. Everything you need for 2 disposable uses with no cleanup. I was using a heavy bed liner type of paint and no fraying or tearing of the roller sponge. Number 3. Level 5 Corner Roller. This drywall tool helps you finish corners faster and with better results than traditional methods. It removes air pockets and excess mud, saving you time and increasing your profits. It's incredibly user-friendly and easy to learn. With our helpful how-to videos, you'll become an expert in no time and easily train your team. The high-quality rollers glide smoothly, preventing sticking and ensuring a perfect, straight tape application every time. Even under pressure, it won't skip or lock up. Made from aircraft-grade aluminum with stainless steel rollers, it's built to last through even the toughest jobs. The durable construction ensures long-term use and reliability. Your new tool comes with a premium protective case for easy storage and transport, keeping it safe and ready for your next project. What we like. It creates sharp, precise corners quickly and easily. This is a great option for both beginners and experienced drywall finishers. If you want to improve your drywall finishing skills and save time, this is a great choice. What people say. The roller works great. It's easy to use and easy to clean. Works great. Very happy. Hubby loves it and says it worked great and smoothly. Number 2. Level 512 Drywall Compound Roller. It's designed for high performance, covering large areas quickly and efficiently. This 12-inch roller makes quick work of drywall compound application. It holds up to 50% more compound than other rollers thanks to its unique nap. This allows for uniform application and less reloading. The ergonomic handle is designed for comfort during extended use. Its soft grip over mold ensures a reliable grip, even when wet. Its sturdy steel shank resists bending, and the nickel plating ensures corrosion resistance. It's built to last through many projects. It seamlessly attaches to level 5 extendable poles for tackling projects of any size. Dual snap locks guarantee a secure fit. What we like. It covers large areas quickly and comfortably. The high-capacity roller makes it ideal for large drywall projects. If you're working on a large-scale project and value efficiency and comfort, this is the best option for you. What people say. Once you get the hang of it, you can do light or a heavier texture which gives a different look. It's pretty decent, and ignore the review that says it does not fit in a 5-gallon bucket. It does, no problem. Normally use a 112 or 114 roller and it pretty much just mops it on, and the consistency of the coating is pretty uneven. This puts on a very consistent layer, pretty thin, but it's a skim coat. Great high quality tool. Number 1. Corner Edger Paint Roller Kit. This innovative tool makes painting corners a breeze. It provides a superior finish, saving you time and effort. Say goodbye to uneven paint lines. It delivers a smooth, professional finish on every corner. Use it with various paints, stains, drywall compound, and even cleaning fluids. It's incredibly versatile. The sturdy handle provides a comfortable grip, and it can be extended for hard-to-reach areas. It's built to last. Cleaning is simple. Just wash it with any solvent and rinse with water to extend its lifespan. It's designed for long-term use. We've included replacement roller covers, ensuring you're always ready for your next project. It's a complete kit. What we like. It provides a superior finish for both paint and drywall compound. It's durable and easy to clean. If you need a versatile corner roller for various applications, this is a great choice. What people say. If you're a DIYer with little taping experience, this works great for drywall corners. You do need to put it on thick, but once you do, the tape sets in easily. This roller sped up placing the mud by 4x and placed it more evenly. Simple and quick, and very little residual cleanup after the first 5 minutes of figuring out the best technique for the applicator. Getting proficient at applying drywall mud with a 6-inch mud knife takes time and practice. As a weekend warrior, I just needed to get the work done. With this roller I was able to easily do 200 feet of corner tape in just few hours. This roller is fast because it is applying just enough mud to secure the tape, so the mud pan lasts longer before refilling. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.